One of the beauties of yoga or this spiritual and impactful practice, it's bringing us together and allowing connections to ignite our own power, our own fire, and our own light. After the pandemic, the human connection started feeling awkward and off, and people was scared. But what if I tell you that the most powerful path to get to know yourself better, it's through watching yourself through the mirrors or the eyes of others, and allowing the strength of others to help us with our struggles, with our doubts, or with our shadows. Because the only way we can really empower ourselves through our light is also embracing the shadow and the darkness. So embracing the power of connection, let's make this warrior 3. So we all begin with both palms together in front of our chest. Take a deep inhale and a second sip of air. Hold it at the top and sigh it out. Inhale and reach both arms up to the sky. Open up both arms like a letter T by your sides, and let's hug each other. Yes. And now we will bring the right knee or right leg, bend it or extend it in front of us. And we hold it there for 3. Keep looking up for 2 and for 1. And slowly we'll start taking it back. Beautiful. We want to keep the hips square. We want to extend that right leg. And now that I am here, I'm going to bring the left palm into my chest and see, oh my God, I love it. We all are doing it. One more deep inhale in here. Exhale, slowly start bringing that right leg down on the ground. Beautiful. And take both arms down. Lovely.